If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay students, let's welcome you to lecture 14 of this GATE Engineering Math Calculus series. So today I have taken three questions, question number 33, 34, 35, line integral and partial derivatives, and then again a double integral questions. Okay, then start. Question number 33. In 33 they have given a field of this equation, and they are asking to line integral it and along the path from this to this, and they have already parameterized this one by using this. So one job is done, no need to draw here path, because path we generally draw to parameterize it. So this is already done here, so this is good. That means x is equal to t, they have given, y equal to t square, that is given, and z is equal to t, that is given. So if it is parameterization is already done, then what you left, you need to find rt, then r dash t. Rt will be t I cap, x I cap, y j cap, and z k cap. So you need to find r dash. R dash means differentiation of this one with respect to t. T differentiation, it will be 1. You can directly write also r dash by seeing from here, as we have done in our earlier class. For line integral, what we do, it is always f dot r dash t. F dot r dash t, provided this f it is in t format and everything is in t. Okay, so if you do it in r dash, so it will be I, jj and kk. So it will look like 5xz. So 5x is here t into z, t square, z is also t, plus 3 into x square, that is t square, plus 2 into y, that is t square. X square is t square and z is again t. So if this is dot, this dot this, that is 5 into this dot this, you have to multiply 2t into this, then this dot d is 1. So you will integrate it from, what is the limit, x, you can take any one. Suppose x you are taking, x is t, so because x is going from 0 to 1, x is going from 0 to 1, so x you have taken t, so t will also grow from 0 to 1. So the limit will be 0 to 1, then it will be 5t square plus 3 2s are 5, 5 2s are 10t cube plus t cube dt. So if you integrate it, 5t cube by 3, 11t 4 by 4, and you put the limit 0 to 1, finally what you will get, it is 53 by 12, around 4.41 you will get. So this is the answer. So here already they have done the main tricky part, that is the parameterization part, so it becomes very easy, and it is not so far. It is not that it came in 2016, recent questions only, 3-4 years back, of 2 marks questions. So you can think these are easy questions if you know how to calculate line integral, and you have seen there are lots of questions on line integral. So you need to understand how to do this line integral. Next is 34, and find partial derivative. So f is given to you as x square plus y square minus 2z square multiplied by y square plus z square, and you need to partial derivative with respect to x. It is easy, given x equal to 2, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 3. At this point you want to find. So first take partial derivative with respect to x, that is very easy. Del f del x, if you take, y and z will be treated constant, so this is constant, and differentiation of this is only 2x, differentiation of this one. Now you put the value of 2, 1, 3. So in place of y it will be 1 square plus 3 square, 1 plus 3 square, and 2 into 2, that is 10 into 40 is the answer. So if this is done, then 35, I is equal to, so you remember you have to multiply with that c. When you get the integral, then you don't get happy, because you need to multiply it also with c. So they have given this area, this is x, this is y, and something of this shape. This is 1, 2, 5, 10, I guess. 10. This level is 10. This is 2. So this is your area. So again, this is the function. So the function, you don't think about this function. This function is always lying in the sky. This is the function. You can see my hand. This is the function and this is the base. On top of it, this function lies. So this is the top of the cake, you can think. So this is the base of the cake. So you need to find again a volume, again a piece of cake. you have sliced that cake into this and this portion. So you find actually you are finding the volume only, volume of that cake. Double integral means you will be getting the volume only. Okay, so in order to calculate this volume or this integral, we need to take a broom and then we have to sweep it. So you can take broom in X direction, you can take broom in Y direction. Anywhere in direction. I've told you your mom also sweep in one way, your father sweeps in another way, you sweeps in another way. But here only two ways is possible, either in X and Y. So if I take X, let me do it with a pencil so that I can clean it up. So if I take with X, my broom, suppose this is like this. So if you take this broom when reach this point, because the function is there changed, you can see here it is straight line, here it is curve. Here the shape of your broom will change. You can see here. I'll draw it here one more time. This is one broom in x-axis. This is in the bottom portion. In the top portion, it will look like. You see the head of the broom. It is different. The top portion or the head. If you see, this is head, this is back. So this is your head and this is tail. Suppose. So this is your head portion. So head is different. You can see. So you need two different brooms. You can do it with X dimension, there is no issue, but it will take some time because it will take two brooms. I will show you after doing with Y direction. But if you take in Y only, if you take Y, you can see this one. If you take Y, then with this broom only you can sweep from here to here. So you need a broom. If you take, this is for X, so two different brooms. But if you take Y, then one broom of this shape will work. You see only this shape. This you can see the top. You can see the top. This shape from here to here you can cleanly sweep. From here also the shape of top will be same. So everywhere the shape of your broom remains same. So this is the idea. You have to take such a broom so that shape doesn't change so much. If shape changes, then what is the problem? The problem is that you need to do it two times. That is the problem. And let's do it in Y axis. So if I take Y, a broom of this shape, first what you need to do, I will show you with X also. First let me do it Y. So if I take a broom, first you need to prepare the broom. So you start with this DUI, then you add small DUI, then this broom is prepared. So I am taking DUI first, then I am adding this, piling up this. So you need to pile up means you have to add means integration. So you are starting from Y is equal to 0, here Y is 0, and here what is the value of Y? Okay, you don't know. So you have to find the equations of this line. What is the equation of this line? You can find slope and you can use, or you can use 2-point formula, whatever. So if I want to find the equation of this line, if I write y minus y1, y minus, suppose this is 1, 2, this point is 1, 2, and this point is 5, 10. So it is y minus y1, y1 suppose 2 divided by y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1, 10 minus 2, x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So okay, this is y minus y1, y2, then y2 minus y1 divided by x minus x1 minus x2 minus x1. So if you do this one, this will be your y minus 2 by 10 minus 2, 8, then x minus 1 by 4, so 4, it is 2. So y minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 2, or minus 2 minus 2 cancel, or y is equal to 2x. So this is the equation. So this is the equation here, y is equal to 2x. So you start from y equal to 0, then you reach, I think you have seen this one, no? This is y equal to 2x. You can see, you can use this formula, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, x minus x1 by x1. So you will find it. So if you take the y value, so what was I saying? So I am preparing the broom. So y equal to 0 to y equal to x, y equal to 0 to y equal to 2x. The broom is ready. So what is the function? You need to define, integrate. This remains same. This you will integrate. So first with respect to y, then the broom is prepared. Then what you will do? You will sweep the broom. First you prepare the broom, ready your broom, then you sweep it. So sweep it. How you will sweep it? From here to here you will sweep. So the entire area covers. So from here, what is the value of x? X is here 1. Here what is the value of x? It is 5. So it will move from here to here. So your x will move from 1 to 5. So this one we will do later. So if you do this integration, x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 5. What will be there here with respect to y? So x is constant, it will be y cube by 3, and then y equal to 0 to y equal to 2x dx. Integration becomes easy. X, and this will be 8x cube by 3, or you can write 8 by 3 then x cube dx. So let me go to next page. Okay, so the integration is now x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 5. 8 by 3 you can take outside, it is x to the power 4 dx. So it will be 8 by 3 1 to 5 x to the power 5 by 5, and then 1 to, so if you do this one, I think it will be 8 by 15 5 cube minus 1. Okay, this is x to the power 5 by 5, x to the power 5 by 5, so it will be x to the 5 to the power 5. So if you do this one and then multiply with c, not this one, you multiply with that c is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 4, then final answer you will get 0.99968. Okay, that's all for today. We'll continue in next class. If you liked the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.